Okay, page 65, number 1. Which pair of figures is similar? Okay, so similar figures are the same shape. They're not necessarily the same size, but they are the same shape. So if this side is congruent to this side, if they're the same, 10 to 10, then that would be equivalent to a 1 to 1, or a 2 to 2, or a 3 to 3, or a 4 to 4, but not a 10 to 4. So A is not similar. Also, similar figures have this same angles. They have congruent angles. So if these are the same size, these angles are the same size, this would be a 90, 45, 45. So number 1's out. Number 2. So if this is a 1 to 4, this is a 1 to 4 rectangle, that would be similar to a 2 to 8, not a 5 to 8. If this small, or if this size, actually the small side would be 5. So if that's 5 times as big, then the longer side would also be 5 times as big. That would have to be 20. So it could be a 5 to 20. Those would be similar as a 1 to 4, or a 2 to 8. That would be similar. So these are not similar. Let's look at C. So there's a couple proportions we could set up. So if we could say, maybe some different colors here. If I've got short side, and then let's do green to this side. So that's the purple is corresponding with this side, or the 3. Those are the same. And the green is corresponding with this 4.5. So there's a few ways we could set this up. We could say, go back to black. We could say 4 over 6, which is purple to green on the big one, equals 3 to 4.5. Purple to green on the larger one, or the smaller one, I'm sorry. So if these are congruent, then the cross products are equal. What I mean by that is, we know 1/4 equals 2 over 8. Well, the cross products are equal. 8 times 1 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So if these cross products are equal, then that means these would be proportional, they would be similar. So if I multiply 3 times 6, that's going to give me 18. Now if 4 times 4.5 equals 18, that means these are proportional, they are similar. So 4 times 4.5, 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 plus 2, 16 plus 2 is 18. Bring back the decimal 1 time. So 18, 18. These are proportional. And we could just check right here. Make sure this one is not similar. Short over long for the small one would be 3 over 7. That would equal 5 over 9. Short over long for the larger one. And then we know these cross products are not equal. 3 times 9, that equals 27, where 5 times 7 is 35. 27 does not equal 35. These are not proportional.